Tesla prepares to expand Giga Texas with new Optimus production. Tesla is preparing to expand Gigafactory Texas once again with a brand new facility that will house the eventual manufacturing efforts for Optimus, its humanoid robot. It is already building some units on a pilot line at the Fremont factory in Northern California. But Tesla is planning to build the vast majority of its Optimus project at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla Optimus gets its latest job, and it's not in the company's factories. It will build 1 million units per year in Fremont. But CEO Elon Musk said the company would build 10 million units every year in Texas at a new building at Giga Texas. Musk said, "I think there could be tens of billions of Optimus robots out there. Now obviously, it's very important we pay close attention to safety here. Then a 10 million unit per year production line. Here I don't know where we're going to put the 100 million unit production line. On Mars. Maybe on Mars, I don't know." Evidently, Tesla is ready to begin thinking about the production efforts of Optimus beyond a theoretical standpoint, and is starting to prepare for the construction of the manufacturing plant on Giga Texas property. Drone operator Joe Tetmeyer recognized Tesla construction crews performing ground leveling and clearing efforts at the plant earlier today. Production is still slated for 2027, at least at Gigafactory Texas. As previously mentioned, the company is building some units in Fremont for the time being, at least until subsequent versions of the Optimus project advance. Tesla has done a great job of advancing Optimus forward, but it also has truly grand expectations for the project. Musk said it could potentially be the biggest product in the history of the planet, as it will revolutionize the way humans perform tasks, probably eliminating monotonous tasks from everyday life. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.